Hey everybody, welcome back to Vanland. So today we're going to go over two new charging systems that have just hit the market. We've got one for EcoFlow and one for Victron. So if you have either of these power systems in your van, there's now a faster way to charge each of those systems. So we'll take a look at the EcoFlow 800 watt alternator charger, as well as the new Victron XS 50 amp charger. So let's dive in. We're going to take a look at all the specs and I'll give you guys my impression of these new products. So let's first take a look at EcoFlow's new 800 watt alternator charger. So this is specifically designed for the Delta and the Delta Pro line of power systems. And this has been a highly requested product by people because the standard charging that the Deltas had when you plugged into the cigarette lighter and tried to pull energy off of your alternator was only about 100 watts. So now with the 800 watt charger, you can charge 8 times faster. Plus, this has a few features that will give you some additional value beyond just charging your Delta batteries. So this is not only a battery charger for your Delta batteries, it will also charge things like the Wave 2, and we've heard that coming soon is going to be a new charging port, the XT60. So then you'll be able to charge the full line of EcoFlow portable power stations. But besides just charging the portable power stations, this is also a jump start in case your vehicle's battery goes dead and this is hooked up to one of your power systems. You can actually charge your starter battery and get the vehicle started again. And it's also a battery maintainer. So if you leave your vehicle sitting for a long time and the starter batteries are not supposed to really go below 12 volts, this will maintain your battery, so keeping the health of it up and ultimately making it last a lot longer. So my first impressions of this, first of all, it is heavy duty. This is an all metal case and it is quite heavy. I'm actually surprised at how big of a charger this is. It comes with all the ports that you would need to, first of all, take power from the alternator and bring it into this charger and then distribute power out to your devices. But first impression is that it's one of EcoFlow's most well-made products. At least from handling it, you can tell they put a lot of effort into it. And I think the metal case is there because all chargers do create some heat. So this is going to essentially be the heat sink that will move the heat away from the charger. So let's first talk about how an alternator charger works. So as you're driving, your alternator in your vehicle is producing power to charge your starter battery, but there's also excess power available to charge something like a portable battery or other device. So what you do is you connect this to the starter battery and you're pulling power into the charger, and then through some electrical algorithms, this repurposes the charge with the right voltage to send to your battery bank. So EcoFlow power systems like the Delta and the Delta Pro, they already had alternator charging built in, but the issue was it was just through a cigarette lighter plug and a very small wire, so you were only able to charge up to about 100 watts. Now with this being an 800 watt charger, it's going to charge 8 times as fast, and also this is a more intelligent charger as well. So you hook this device up to your battery and then run it to your device and it will manage the charge. And one of the crucial things that it does is it prevents drawing from the starter battery when there's not sufficient power to charge the device. So essentially when you turn off your vehicle, the charge from the alternator drops and you would go from something around 14 volts down to 12.5 volts or so, whatever your starter battery sits at. And this device will recognize that and cut off the charge. So there's basically no risk of draining your starter battery when this device is in place. And then also with the charger built into this, you could reverse it and take power from your device to the starter battery and jumpstart your vehicle if you ever do run it out of power. So something to be aware of is the fact that every alternator has a maximum amperage that it will put out. And there's only so much power that can be distributed from the alternator. So when you start your vehicle, your alternator is going to be charging your starter battery, but at the same time, it's also going to be running things like your lights, your blower fans for your air conditioner, all of your gauges and instruments. So that's why the alternator is there, because you need power to run the vehicle. So if you hook up an 800 amp charger to the alternator, you have to be aware of how much maximum power you can be taking from that alternator so that you don't overtax it, or in a worst case scenario, you'd be pulling so much that the instruments and some other things on your vehicle would not work. So there are two solutions for the potential problem of pulling too much power from your alternator. The first would be to upgrade your alternator to a higher output. Most vehicles will have an aftermarket alternator that puts out over 200 amps. So you could buy that and install it, and it would give you plenty of power to run a device like this, plus everything else in the vehicle. The second option, if you feel like you're running up against the limit of your alternator, would be to scale down the power output from this device. So you can go into the app and go from 800 watts and scale it down to maybe 500 watts. And that would just limit the amount of power that this is going to pull from the alternator, thereby extending its life and allowing you to not run into a situation where you're pulling too much power from the alternator. So one thing I want you guys to know is that this charger does not work with the EcoFlow power kit. So the power kits are super popular for van life these days. They actually already have a charger built in that pulls up to 1,000 watts. So this device is specifically for the EcoFlow portable power units and not for the EcoFlow power kits. We have heard that the EcoFlow power kits are going to be able to charge at higher than 1,000 watt charging speed, but that is something to come in the future, and we don't have any details specifically to share with you guys on that. But subscribe to the channel. If it does happen, we'll put out some more content around it. And then the other question I've gotten on this is, will it charge different types of batteries beyond the EcoFlow portable power stations? And the answer is no, it will not. It's a very intelligent charger where it's actually sensing through its connection to the device what device it's connected to. And that's really useful because when you pull up the app, you can see your Delta or your Wave or whatever you're connected to, and it knows how to charge it appropriately and exactly what to do to extend the life and charge it as quickly as possible. But it will not work with another off-brand that's not EcoFlow. And real quick, let's just take a look at the cables it comes with. This is the cable that you'll run up to your starter battery, thereby connecting to the alternator. This is 16 feet long, which should work for most vehicles just fine. And it has one of the proprietary adapters on this side that plugs into the bottom of the unit. And then on the other side, you do just have some terminal ends. So the terminal end on the positive side is going to connect up to this fuse. And it's really good that they do include this fuse, because with some of their other kits, they don't. You do need to have a fuse in line, and this should go close to the starter battery so that it protects the entire line in case of a short circuit or overheating. The fuse is going to blow and prevent a fire. The last cable we have is the one that connects from the charger to your portable power station. And this one is quite short. So something to keep in mind is that this charger needs to be placed pretty close to your power station so that this cable will reach. There are probably extension cables available, but this is what comes in the box. The last couple ports that are on here, we do have a Bluetooth port and then also an RJ45 COM port. Those don't come with the device when you buy it, but it's available obviously if you need to connect it to either of those. And this will connect directly to the EcoFlow app. So if you guys have used that on your phone, the EcoFlow app is really brilliant. It gives you all sorts of information about what's going on with your system. And this has all the controls built into the app, so you can dial it in, know what's going on with it, see what your charging rate is. And then it also has an LED light on the top. If it's connected to the starter battery, it will turn red. And then once it's charging, it turns green. So the price of this unit, and this has just been released, it's $599 for this 800 watt charger. We have a link in the description if you want to buy it from Vanland. We do offer a discount code. So check the link in the description, apply your code, and get this at a little bit of a discount. So if you have an EcoFlow Delta, a Delta Pro, or the new Delta 3 that's coming out, this is going to be your fastest way to charge it while you're on the move. So thanks to EcoFlow for putting out this new charger. A lot of people have requested it, and now it's available. So the second device I wanted to show you guys today is Victron's new 50 amp charger. And the first thing I can say is that I was really blown away when I opened the package. I wasn't even sure if we were sent the right device because this thing is tiny. It's actually significantly smaller than their 30 amp charger. So a lot of new technology has gone into this. They say it is 98% efficient. If you guys had used some of the old 30 amp DC to DC chargers, you might have found that they heat up quite a lot. That was kind of a common complaint. We never had any serious issues, but they did get quite hot. That's because the efficiency was only about 86%, so there's a lot of heat given off in the conversion process. This is a 98% efficient device, so it actually doesn't have any fins on the heatsink in the back. It just has a piece of metal, and then it has some standoffs where the screws would hold this to like a board or whatever you're going to connect it to, so it does have the ability for air to flow in and behind it. But being a 98% efficient charger, it's going to create a lot less heat while giving you 50 amps of charging. So just as a comparison to the EcoFlow charger, which is 800 watts, this is a 700 watt charger if you kind of do the math. So Victron usually describes their devices in terms of amps, but in order to make the conversion as easy as possible, it's a 700 watt charger in comparison to the 800 watt from EcoFlow. So this is a pretty simple device in that you bring power, again, from your alternator into the positive side, and then connect power out going to your battery system. In most cases, that will be a Lynx distributor if you're doing like a full Victron system. And then you have a common ground here. This does have both Bluetooth and the VE Direct connection. So if you're running a Servo GX system where all of your data is coming together on the Servo screen, this will be a new device that shows up on there. And then of course you can also monitor it with the phone app, just like you would all of your other Victron devices. It does have a remote on-off switch, so this would actually be a physical wire that you run up to a switch somewhere. So if you want to turn this off manually, you can do it with a switch, but you can also turn it off via the app as well. Now, this charger is not specific to Victron batteries, so if you wanted to charge other batteries besides Victron, you would be able to use this charger on Battleborn or SOK batteries or anything really. It's basically just a charger, and then it has different profile settings, so depending on the type of battery you have, lead acid, AGM, lithium ion, this will understand the correct charging profile and give you the right charging for your battery. So a couple features that this does have built in are a low temperature protection and under voltage protection. So especially when you're charging lithium batteries, they don't like to be charged when they're too cold, and they shouldn't be charged when they're under voltage, at least not at the amperage that this would deliver. So being a smart device, it will recognize those things and shut down the charging when the conditions aren't right to charge. So this new device, I think this is going to be really popular. Having 50 amps of charging from your alternator is definitely a big step up from the 30 amp charger. And this device goes for about $328, so it doesn't cost too much. If you need one of these, we do have a link in the description with the discount code, so go down there, grab the code, and we can ship you one of these new devices. All right, so there you have it, 2 new charging methods for your power systems. I know you guys are total psychopaths about wanting to charge your battery systems as fast as possible, so now whether you have an EcoFlow portable power station, a Victron system, or just any other power system, you can charge it with this. Now you have new ways to do it. So if you have questions about this, please leave it in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think about this. We will be doing some installations of these very soon, so we'll run you guys through it with some short videos, but they're really quite simple. You're just connecting your alternator or your starter battery to these devices and then connecting the device to your portable power bank or your battery or whatever other power storage device you have. There you have it, guys. New devices. Hope you liked the video, and that's a wrap.